How's it going, YouTube? I was out in the garage cleaning some rifles and I said, you know what? Let's get a video up and going. This weekend I had the opportunity to run several platforms with the Nomad suppressor. I know you guys already seen the video of the 6.5s, and I was like, we got to get some more video up and going. And I've had the opportunity to run the 300 Win Mag suppressed. This is an extremely loud rifle to shoot. And I was a little nervous shooting the Nomad with it because the Nomad's only 6 inches long. And I was thoroughly impressed with the way it performed. It was extremely quiet. But whenever I let the rifle cool off, I was like, let me get some other rifles out. So in the video, you're going to see me shooting the Long Rifles Inc. build that I had in 6.5 Creedmoor. It's an 18-inch barrel. You're going to see the 16-inch PWS in 7.62 by 39. And you're also going to see the Thompson Center LRR in 308. They all shot really well with the suppressor. On the PWS, some of you guys are going to notice it in the video, so I'm going to talk about it right here. You're going to see the suppressor slowly working its way off of the barrel. It only moved about a quarter of a turn, but no baffle strikes, thank God. But this is the perfect example of why some people could run the chemo adapter on the barrel. I prefer direct thread, but when I'm running those semi-automatic rifles, it's obvious I'm going to have to run that QD mount. So I will be ordering the chemo for the AR platforms, and I will leave them on there. That way we don't have to worry about that suppressor working its way off. You can get it on real tight, and I've done that before in the past with other suppressors, but it was also a pain in the butt to get the suppressor off of the rifle. So I'm going to leave the chemo on the AR platforms and then stick with direct thread on the bolt guns. But they all shot really well. The PWS shot extremely well with it, and I want to show you guys why. So most of your big majority of your ARs are gas driven, and there's nothing wrong with that. I've shot plenty of gas driven ARs in the past, suppressed, and never had issues. Some of them you have to tweak the gas block here and there, but what's nice about the PWS, and this is my PWS 7.62, I got the rail taken off. It's very, very similar to the way the AK rifle works. This is PWS's patented design. You can't build this in your garage. I mean, this is PWS right here. And this is where your piston will work itself back and forth. And I actually have it right here. And I got the charging handle off of it, but the charging handle goes on this rod here. It's really dirty because I was running suppressed. I rarely clean my rifles, but when I do run suppressed, especially with the ARs, I'm going to clean them because there's a lot of buildup on these bolt carrier groups. But anyways, the bolt carrier group and the piston will sit in here and sit inside, obviously in the action in this tube here, and it will work itself back and forth, very similar to the AK-47. And I really think that this is the heart of it right here. This is why this rifle runs so reliable for me. But right here is also the adjustable gas block. So with the tool that you get from PWS, you can put it in position 1 when you're running non-suppressed, and then if you're going to run a suppressor, you can put it over into position 2. And then if you're going to be running subs or if you're having any type of issues in position 2, then you can move it over to position 3. You can do this while the rail is on the rifle. There's a cutout here for it. So, and if you want to remove the rail, you have to have it in position 2. That way that little key there doesn't hit the rail. I'll show you guys how this looks with the charging handle back on it. I haven't cleaned it yet, so it's really dirty. You can get this back in this little notch, and that's how it looks. Really, really slick design. And like I said, very reliable, but this one has to be cleaned. But anyways, I think you guys will enjoy the video. I mean, it speaks for itself. I didn't really edit anything or didn't do anything with the audio. Everything was pretty much raw. And I just wanted you guys to see exactly how everything ran with that suppressor and also the audio. I mean, it sounded great. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe, please like, get the notifications going, and all I can say is thank you so much for the support, guys. The page is slowly growing, but it's not going unnoticed. I'm very thankful for all the support. and I hope you guys enjoy the content. I'll try to get some more rolling here in the near future.
a.amantine, are we going to be on film too?
What was that?
Are we going to be on film too?
No, you're good.
When I go to your vlog, you can hear Tristan shooting.
You're good. What was that?
Wow, it's a.amantine.
No, I do stuff on Instagram and YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Texas hog hunter.
Something like that.
Okay, what do I do with my phone?
Yeah, one more. Two more behind you.
Laying on it.
Put it on my rest, Randy.
As soon as they find it.
They'll find it.
Really isn't that loud. I thought it'd be louder.
Oh, that's 6BR. It's like a 22, isn't it?
Oh, it's always the last one.
Marks on it and one big mark.
That's it.
I guess my deal is, well, you can shoot out here for free, but when we watch you, you gotta work. Here I am. That competition down there.
That mile long?
Big guys little 1 mile.
How'd he do? No, I thought you said the actual competition.
Yeah, he didn't place that high up. His competition was
Yeah. I was gonna enter it, but man, I just felt like I need more time to go out that far.
he's shooting the new was at 9 miles. It's gonna do 26 something. PRC. Yeah, the new 26 PRC. He's shooting out of 270 WSSM here and a few other places.
Man, that
We used to shoot also down at ETTS as long as it was 300 Win Mag or under, which is short mag, is a Win Mag but shorter. So they'd allow us to do that. All the short mags we could shoot down there at ETTS.
My father-in-law was shooting at a half-inch field place 50 yards. Looks like a drill bit going through.
Well, at 50 yards, I mean.
Either way, you're thinking this little bitty tiny bullet.
Oh no. Well, the thing is the speed and the energy.
Yeah.
I mean,
All that thing does,
all it's doing is peeling the seal.
3,400 feet per second or something like that.
Yeah, it's
Something
nuts.
stupid. I won't shoot more because about 600 rounds barrel.
I was joking. I wanted to make a 270 Winchester Ultra Mag. Put you about 3,400 feet per second in a 150.
Yeah, but man, then you're frying barrels left and right.
Yeah, but can you imagine 800 yards, a little laser?
Oh yeah. Well, that Creedmoor does that. I mean, I'm only at 4.2.
7.62 by 39 at 300 yards with the Dead Air Nomad.
You're hitting low.
There ain't no way that's low.
I'm telling you, I seen a bullet skip into the barn. Just under it. There's a hit.
Thanks for screwing up the video.
Oh, I didn't know you was video.
I look like a damn jackass now.
Hey, post
Start
that
over.
video. Always shoot with gloves.
Always. It's the way I shoot at night. So it's just,
Oh, the way you're used to.
yeah, it's just what I'm used to. I tell folks I wear gloves just in case I blow my hand up. I can keep my fingers.
Ah.
I usually don't get a response back.